In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Docusign a PDF and add your signature quickly and efficiently. Whether you're handling important business documents or personal agreements, knowing how to sign a PDF electronically can save you a lot of time and hassle. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leader in electronic signature technology, making it one of the most trusted platforms for handling digital documents. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner for the login button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login details. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but today we're assuming you already have your account ready to go. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. Here you'll see a variety of options, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on adding a signature to a PDF file. Find and click on the option that says Agreements. This area is where you manage all your document transactions. On this page, you'll want to click Start Now to initiate a new document signing process. This action takes you to the upload interface where you can bring in your PDF document. Click on Upload and select the file from your desktop or device. Ensure the PDF you want to sign is ready and easily accessible to avoid any last-minute scrambles. Once your PDF is uploaded successfully, the next step is to add in all necessary details. This might include entering the names of the signers, their email addresses, and any other pertinent information the document might require. Taking your time to ensure all these details are correct is crucial, as mistakes here might slow down the signing process later. With your details added, click on the Next button to proceed to the actual signing interface. Now, this is where we focus on adding the signature itself. In the toolbar or options menu, look for the signature icon or option that allows you to add your signature to the document. Click on this and position your signature exactly where you want it on the PDF. You can use a pre-saved signature or draw a new one if you prefer a fresh sign-off. Once positioned, review everything to confirm that the placement looks right and all information is accurate, and voila, you've successfully added your signature to a PDF using Docusign. Remember, double check everything before finalizing, as you want to ensure the document is exactly as you intended. You're now ready to send or save your signed document as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating your document signing needs with Docusign. Happy signing and see you in the next video.